Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Firdaus and this is Yurizal, As'ari, Fikri and Iqbal. There are my partner. Okay, on this session we will explain and tell about the laboratory in our school, namely SMA Negeri 1 WOYLA Barat. Our school laboratory located class 2, multipurpose 4, and field. Our school laboratory was built in 2018 and managed by Ibu Afriani.
Welcome to Physics and Chemistry Laboratory.
Okay, here are chair and table used by students when doing practicum. Here there are 24 tables consisting of 6 larger tables and 18 medium-sized tables, and there are also 13 chairs.
And this is the teacher's table. When guiding students, usually the teacher will go around to the student desks to monitor and guide students in doing various practicum. Here there is a prototype of digestive system of the human body, both male and female. And we can see that there is a prototype of human body skeleton. We go into the next room, and in this room there is a cupboard that contains practicum tools. We can see that there is a measuring cup, beaker, and smartener, and several microscopies, volumetric flask, Elena flasks. And here there are also practical clothes that students wear when doing practicum. Okay guys, that's enough what we can convey on this occasion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.